Starting around 18 November 2023, bitgert in a real sense basically is exchanging at $0.00000016 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.11% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is very critical. Brise by and large has an entirely all-out market cap of $64,030,047, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,816,923, which truly is genuinely huge in an extremely significant manner. This in every way that really matters, by and large makes bitgert, Brise, for the most part truly positioning at 377 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way amazingly. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the bitgert cost forecast finish of 2023, what will bitgert in a real sense be somewhat especially worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner in a significant way? Is bitgert in all things considered, in every practical sense, wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in a fundamentally large manner, which explicitly is very huge? Will Brise cost especially outperform its untouched high, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking, which is very critical? These explicitly are our bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023, as per the bitgert estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost basically fundamentally is supposed to basically cross an especially normal value level of $0.00000017. The normal genuinely least value worth of bitgert toward the finish of the sort of especially current year ought to explicitly especially be $0.00000017 in an unobtrusive manner, or so they basically thought. Besides, Brise can explicitly arrive at a by and large most extreme value level of $0.00000018, or so they essentially thought. Bitgert value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the for the most part greatest cost for bitgert could truly stretch around $0.00000017 in an actually essentially enormous manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Brise in November 2023 generally is $0.00000016, with a fundamentally especially normal cost of $0.00000017 in a for the most part huge manner. Brise value conjecture December 2023. Concerning December 2023, bitgert truly is supposed to generally essentially arrive at the very least value worth of $0.00000017, or so they truly thought in an unpretentious manner. The Brise cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $0.00000018, with the especially normal cost around $0.00000017, so bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023 as per the bitgert estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost actually especially is supposed to truly sort of cross a for the most part kind of normal value level of $0.00000017. The normal truly least value worth of bitgert toward the finish of the really current year ought to explicitly be $0.00000017, which for the most part is very huge. Bitgert pretty past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense, has been especially for the most part diminished by 3.34% in its certainly current worth, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. In the event that we essentially truly look at the pretty truly current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, exhibiting that assuming we generally analyze the fundamentally current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down. Or so they especially thought in an unobtrusive manner. Bitgert sort of is confronting a by and large tough time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins, which in every practical sense generally is genuinely huge. The Brise explicitly is down to nearly 6.22% in the kind of most recent 7 days in a by and large significant manner. The coin sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for past especially couple of days. The coin could have in every practical sense serious areas of strength for extremely, however, we don't entirely feel that it would a productive resource in actually most certainly present moment, actually fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of Brise fundamentally especially diminished by 66.976%, wiping out an astounding essentially normal amount of $0.00000033 from its sort of current worth. Truly further appearance, how bitgert value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the actual kind of greatest cost for bitgert could truly stretch around $0.00000017. Or so they in a real sense thought in a significant way. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin basically by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally in a real sense be an essentially decent for the most part purchase a valuable open door for essentially speedy venture. Showing how starting around 18 November 2023, bitgert certainly is exchanging at $0.00000016 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.11% in certainly truly most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert value figure 2023 facts. What will sort of be bitgert worth in 2023, which explicitly is very critical. The Brise cost for the most part basically is determined to in a real sense arrive at an extremely greatest degree of $0.00000018, with quite least cost of $0.00000017 toward the finish of 2023 in an especially by and large significant manner, in a kind of enormous manner. Does bitgert especially have a future, which explicitly is very critical? As far as value, bitgert generally especially has an exceptional fundamentally potential to in every way that really matters arrive at new levels in an unpretentious way in a quite huge manner. It generally is estimate that Brise will increment in esteem, further appearance how the coin especially in a real sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for kind of extremely past lovely few days. The coin could sort of really have serious areas of strength for especially yet. We don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource and sort of momentary in an unpretentious manner. As per in every practical sense, fundamentally unambiguous specialists and business experts, bitgert can especially essentially stir things up around town of the actually the greatest cost of $0.000001 till 2030, exhibiting how inside the very kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Brise in every practical sense basically diminished by 66.976%. Dispensing with an incredible most certainly normal amount of $0.00000033 from its certainly truly current worth genuinely further appearance, how bitgert value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the very sort of most extreme cost for bitgert could explicitly stretch around $0.00000017 in an unobtrusive manner, or so they thought. Is bitgert kind of really worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner, in opposition to prevalent thinking? Bitgert's worth by and large is supposed to for the most part keep on growing, as lack will in general in every practical sense, for the most part support cost rise, so besides